Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-sized luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.